Yes, welcome back. In the previous lesson, we started speaking about homonyms, and homonyms are simply words which have slightly different spelling. However, the pronunciations are generally the same. In this scenario, you'll have the meaning being different. So yesterday we started with these sets of words, and you can see, for example, add, these two words are pronounced similarly. However, the spellings are different, hence the meaning of the words are different. So we're going to continue. But before we continue to the second segment of these words, we're going to recap the first 5 that we took yesterday. So let's pronounce it together. Add, advice, advice. 8, bail, beat, bread. Now let's go to the second segment of these words. Now, as the format and the method that we're using, we pronounce the words, and after that, we'll go into the meanings of each word, so that you can see the difference in usage and the difference in spelling of the words. So we have buy, sell, cent, cereal, choose. Now, buy is simply when you purchase an item from someone or a store. You pay a certain cash for it and you receive that item. Buy is simply a preposition. So you can say, the school is by the pharmacy, it's across from it, it's by it physically. Bye is when you say goodbye to someone. Bye-bye, ta-ta. Cell is a small organism of a whole part of something, and it's considered to be the section in a prison, a cell where someone stays. Sell is when you give someone a particular item in exchange for monetary value. He sells cars at the warehouse. So selling, giving away something for money. Cent is the monetary aspect of something. It's the metal of the paper money. So 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents. Scent is the smell or the odor of an item. The scent of the book is fabulous. Sent here is the past simple of send. And you can see sent, sent. All same in pronunciation. However, the spellings are different. Hence, the meanings are different. Cereal, yeah, we all love cereals. Cereal is the food we eat in the morning. It's similar to cornflakes. So we have cereal with milk, with raisins, banana, and so forth. Serial is the number which is unique for an item, the serial number. You normally find the serial number on items which are created from a factory. So serial relates to numbers. Choose when you chew something in your mouth. You chew at it. You eat it. Choose when you pick an item to use it. So all these words are considered to be homonyms, words that are pronounced similarly or the same. However, the spellings are different. Hence, the meaning and the usages are different. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.